If you are looking for a new job, Glassdoor just released its survey of the best American cities. Chief economist Andrew Chamberlain with me now. So, Andrew, before we get to the top 5 cities, how did you compile this list? What metrics did you use?
Yeah, we looked at the top 50 cities in America by size, so only big cities, and we ranked them on 3 criteria that every job seeker cares about. How many jobs are available? Where is the cost of living that I can afford to live in? And where are people most satisfied with their jobs?
So, Andrew, we have your list here. So, Raleigh, Kansas City, Oklahoma City, Austin, and Seattle. So, noticeably absent San Francisco and New York.
That's right. I think a lot of people would be really surprised by this list. Raleigh, in particular, at the very top of the list, maybe doesn't scratch many millennials as a hot tech hub, but it really has in recent years become an alternative destination for tech companies that are looking to escape the expensive and congested Northeast corridor. So Raleigh actually has a lot to offer for a small or mid-sized city. It sits in the research triangle, has good universities that feed high-skilled workers right into those companies, but at the same time, while it's had very fast growth in recent years, it has maintained an affordable standard of living, and it's someplace families can live in a walkable, pleasant neighborhood and still get ahead.
So, Andrew, what do you see as the breakdown as far as types of tech jobs? Is there a difference between so-called hard tech and soft tech in these 5 cities?
I think that people would be surprised today to see that tech jobs are really dispersing out from the traditional tech hubs of San Francisco, Boston, and New York. The same kinds of data scientist jobs, mobile app developers, and software engineers, those are all showing up in surprising places like Kansas City now, and Raleigh, and even some in Austin and Seattle, which are more known for those jobs. I don't believe there is a fundamental difference. There may not be hardware producers like big silicon wafer factories in Oklahoma City, but there definitely are data scientist jobs and software engineer positions.
Thanks for sharing the data with us. Andrew Chamberlain joining us there, Chief Economist.